Welcome to Contract Law's topic of Essentials of Consideration. Let's begin. Presence of consideration is one of the requisites of a valid contract. To establish consideration, the following requirements must be fulfilled. 1. Must move from the promisee. A person to whom a promise is made can enforce that promise only if she himself herself provides sufficient consideration for that promise. Though, with the enactment of the Rights of Third Parties Act 1999, a third party that exercises its statutory right to sue under the provisions of the Act does not have to show that it had provided consideration. 2. Sufficiency rule. In order for a promise to be legally enforceable, it must be supported by an exchange of value. An exchange of value ought to be sufficient, that is, enough to meet the need amount in value in the exchange does not matter, it is the act in itself that matters. In this sense, adequacy in the exchange of value is unimportant to the courts, unless duress or undue influence had been exerted. 3. Lawfulness rule. Unlawful consideration renders the entire contract illegal, thus void or voidable, depending on the particular facts of the case and the surrounding circumstances. 4. Past consideration rule. As a general rule, past consideration, that is, consideration already completed before the promise was made, is not sufficient enough to create an enforceable promise, as a result of an already performed act. 5. Benefit or detriment rule. Consideration must take the form either of some benefit or detriment. The very definition of consideration, famously provided by Lush J. in the case of Curry v. Meiser 1875, asserts the following, quoting, "A valuable consideration, in the sense of the law, consists either in some right, interest, profit or benefit accruing to the one party, or some forbearance, detriment, loss or responsibility given, suffered or undertaken by the other." End of quote. That is the end of this lecture. I hope you found it informative. If you wish to learn more about this and many other topics on all of your favorite law school subjects, make sure to check our premium content in the solutions section of our website. Furthermore, if you have any questions or are struggling with your legal studies, I'll be happy to help in my weekly Q&A, which can be found in the LEXi Live section of the website. Just fill in your inquiry, question, or comment, and I will gladly respond to it in an adequate manner. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.